Where does the wastewater we use every day actually go? Is it discharged, or is it treated and then drunk by us again? Let me explain. Wastewater discharged from homes flows through pipes into the community's drainage system, then into the municipal sewage network. These pipes have a certain slope, allowing the wastewater to flow naturally. Finally, all wastewater in the city enters the wastewater treatment plant. The first step is filtration. A screen filter separates plastic bags, leaves, and various solid waste are separated out. The wastewater, after initial filtration, flows into a sedimentation tank. At this point, the water flow slows down, and sediment and particles settle to the bottom. The settled sediment is sucked into a separator for processing, while oils and foam on the water surface are removed. After preliminary sedimentation and oil removal, the wastewater flows through pipes into an aeration tank. You can see the water vigorously bubbling. This is not boiling, but rather the injection of a large amount of oxygen into the tank. The purpose of oxygen injection is to activate the microorganisms in the water, accelerating the decomposition of organic matter. This process is known as biochemical degradation. The wastewater is then discharged into another tank, where lime and salt are added, causing certain substances to crystallize and settle. This mixture of water and sludge enters another secondary settling tank, where the sludge settles to the bottom of the tank. Now the sludge and water are separated. The sludge at the bottom is collected by a sludge pump into a large tank, where the water-containing sludge settles again. At this point, some water can be separated and recirculated back to the previous settling tank. The remaining sludge is sent to a fermentation tank, where it is heated to continue fermenting, producing methane, carbon dioxide, and water. The methane gas can be used to heat the wastewater treatment plant. The fermented sludge is dewatered using a centrifuge. The resulting solid material can be incinerated for power generation. The combustion residue, which contains phosphorus, can also be used as organic fertilizer. Although the water has become very clear after the above processes, it is still not completely clean. Disinfection is required. Ozone is added to a sealed tank. Chemical reactions break down drug residues and trace hormones, achieving the purpose of disinfection and water purification. The disinfected water then undergoes a final filtration process. Sand is used as a filtration layer at the bottom of the tank. The water permeates through the sand and flows into the pipes below. The filtered water is clear and transparent. After passing various tests to meet discharge standards, it is discharged into rivers.